the ammeter is given 10 amps, right? So 10 amps is meter. So the needle has changed from 0 to 10 amps to change, right? So this values 10 amps, but we required if in case 20 10 amps. If in case increasing the current means current to again 10 amps. So needle has to move on 20 amps to move on. Right? This is 20 amps. So, but if in case 10 amps, we required one more 2 amps. That means that we have smallest measurable input there. But that means having input signal as a 20 amps plus 2 amps in the needle has required additional 2 amps to change it again 10 amps. That 2 amps is the resolution. But the actual value is the 20 amps. That means that we given 20 amps, but needle required 2 amps to change it again 10 amps. So actual reading in 22 amps, but the actual another 20 amps. So that means another it affects accuracy, right? So we have, if non-zero value of input is increased means we get the output increase. So that means that zero value is that needle has to change again. Needle over we required small measurable input changes, right? So that is the resolution. So that resolution is, for example, in length calculations, the 0.5 mm is the resolution, right? So that 0.5 mm is required to change the output further, right? This is the resolution. If we same the threshold, but threshold they record input changes to change the output. So some amount of input need to change the output, right? So it is non-zero. That means 10 is the non-zero. If in case threshold means from 0. So the needle instrument pressure given here 10 amps. It required 2 amps. First 2 amps changes like 2 amps change like move away needle move on, right? Again after the 2 amps 3 amps 4 amps the input change on board the needle moved to the 10 amps. This is the threshold. So how to find the difference between resolution and threshold? Is a simple difference now. The threshold means next have record some amount of input to change the output. But here we using it 0 pointer, right? Threshold. That means threshold means initial stage. Threshold means initial. Resolution means every point we have record some amount of input to change the output. That is the that means that it's affect accuracy, right? Other than the resolution. Either threshold in the initial stage that we record 5 amps or 3 amps or 1 ohms record to change the needle move on they record in initial current, right? The initial current is 1 amps. For example, 10 amps now we record 1 amps. That 1 amp is the threshold amps. Okay, now so error so error means another we find out the difference we need to find from the difference of indicated or measured value from the true value. So error which is equal to AT minus of A. The AT is the true values. Actual true values actual 10 amps, right? I have to measure values is the plus or minus the here 10 amps, right? That is the error. There is the difference, algebraic difference between algebraic means they have no plus minus signals, right? So algebraic difference between indicated values and the true values is the error. If in case relative error is 40 marks, right? Relative error means difference between the two values, which is the measured values and the measured or indicated value and true value, right? So again absolute, that means relative error means and the error divided by true error is another relative error. The ratios between error and the true error values, that is the relative error. Other percentage relative error accuracy means the 1 minus of ER, right? So next another accuracy in percentage in the 100 order. Next error as percentage of full scale reading is equal to that absolute value divided by full scale deflection. FSD means in the mark. That is the full scale deflection into 100 for percentage. Read out now. So threshold means at the point characteristics. Threshold means another. We record some input changes from zero values. It's from non-zero unit. So this means values of non-zero. In bit of scales, we record some input changes to change the output. Difference to you have writing sentence, right? So threshold thresh means initial zero values to reference means every point has some input changes to change the output. That is the result. The sensitivity is the static characteristics sensitivity. So sensitivity, how sensitivity you are. Sensitivity now, what is mean by sensitivity? Sensing and so the variations of input you have to take out, right? Accordance with the input. Every react after taking sensitive or now put the input get the one in output react right? That is the sensing. Put the input to the immediate change of output. This is the characteristics between input and output, right? So this is the sensitivity curve. That is the calibration curve. If it is linear, if it is non-linear, right? So if it is linear means the sensitivity is equal to, we defined as a ratio of changes in output to the changes in input. That is the sensitivity means in definitions. Defined as the ratio. Is defined as the ratio of changes in output with respect to input. So I vary the input means the immediate changes of output. The immediate changes of medium from one values to another. This is the sensitivity. We measure that sensitivity, right? In the slope. If in case linearly the sensitivity is measured as the ratio of divided del Q0 divided by del QR. If in case unlinear, that means non-linear, means that sensitivity is varies with the input. So slopes everywhere over the slope the variations of input and output. So sensitivity varies with the input. So deflection factor is another definition. If in case they ask deflection factors mean, deflection factor is defined as the inverse of sensitivity. So inverse of sensitivity means which is the ratio of this is equal to del Di divided by del D. 0. So reproducibility. Reproducibility is nothing but another repeatability. So we have measures the same quantity or same true values in repeated ones, right? So it is what is the first time. The another time we have curve like this. We curve in a mark. This is the characteristics curve, right? It's sensitivity curve. That means input and change point only every output. If in case I change it 10 amps means the output also 10 amps. If in case the change, I repeatedly do the same methods or process to find the quality. That means quantity means the values, the curve has been changed, right? With respect to another person or with respect to instruments. In the may vary of that is the accurate value. Mathematical value is every class. So this is the drift. Drift means the actual value of it, they drift over some values. That is the drift, right? So perfect reproducibility. That means perfect procedure. Reproducibility is the procedure to find the accurate values of accurate sensitive characteristic curve. So this means that there is no drift. We apply 10 amps means to get the values of 10 amps. That is the characteristics. This is the reproducibility. So repeatability means variations of scale reading or variations of instrument. We have repeatedly find the measurements, right? And random iteration. Read out one. So we have another board. Last 3. Zero drift. Linearity. The linearity is same wise sensitivity model. Linearity, rectangle, stability. Stability is also similar of linear. So all characteristics are similar, but it has little much difference. And the little minute difference condition we have provide the difference, right? Read out. So after the last 3 characteristics and dynamic characteristics, 5 characteristics, next class. Read out.